So here if you see, we're going into creation of fiscal year variant. First let us go to the screen and then we'll understand what is the configurations about. From SAP Easy Access, first we need to go into display IMG screen. So type SIMG in the command field to go into display IMG screen. From display IMG screen, go into financial accounting and then financial accounting global settings. Here we have ledgers, fiscal year and posting periods, and then maintain fiscal year variant. So this is the menu path where we can create the fiscal year variant. So go into this maintain fiscal year variant, and here we have number of posting periods in the first column. If I click on new entries, I can see what are the fields to be entered. Here we have number of posting periods and number of special periods that we're going to see. So as I have said you, the financial year is called as fiscal year, and in this slides, in this presentation, we are going to understand about fiscal year, posting periods and the special periods. First coming to the fiscal year, the same financial year is called as fiscal year, and the name for a financial year. And in any fiscal year, in any financial year, if we take whether it is Indian financial year April to March or German fiscal year January to December or American fiscal year from July to June, let it be any fiscal year for any country, we are going to have 12 months in that. So any financial year consists of 12 months. So that's what the animation is about. And in India, the current fiscal year starts from April 2025 and ends on March 2026. Okay, these months are called as periods in SAP. In SAP we don't call it as months, we call it as periods. Any month is called as one period. And as per calendar, the month number for April will be 4 and the month number for May will be 5. How? In calendar, the month number for April will be 4. Is it right? If we open the calendar, April will be in the 4th month. So the same April, as per Indian financial year, as per this financial year, as per financial year, April will be the first month. The financial year in India starts from April. So that is why April will be the first period in the financial year. But as per calendar, if we see, April will be in the 4th page. So that is the 4th month. So in the same way, May will be the 5th month. May will be the 5th month as per the calendar year. The same May will be the second period as per the financial year. And next, so on as we go, will be in a sequence: April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the calendar. So the same months will be starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that in financial year. So December will be the 12th month as per the calendar, and January will be the first month. February will be the second month in any calendar. If we open any calendar, let it be 25 or 26, 27 or 1999 or 1994 or anything. Any calendar will have first. January will be the first month, February will be the second, March will be third. So these are called as posting periods. Okay, and these are the months as per the calendar year, and these are the months, these are the periods as per the financial year, and these are called as posting periods. So as I have said you, posting period, whatever the posting date is there. For example, say yesterday we have discussed about posting date, document date and entry date. So in that, whatever the posting date is there, in that posting date, whatever the month is there, that month becomes the posting period. For example, say posting date is 6th February 6th February 2026. This is the posting date. So tell me, what is the posting period in this? This is posting date. So in this posting date, what is the posting period for this posting date? The posting period is 11. Then how you write the date here? 6th of February 2026. This is how you write the date, and this is the posting date. So this is the posting date, and posting period will be 11, because if you see here, this is the date. In date we don't change this month number while writing the date. Month number will be same. So second means February. So February is the second month, but if we see as per the financial year, February is in the 11th posting period. So that is why the posting period becomes 11 for this posting date only for this posting date. What is the period for example, say I have written like 10th of July 2026 2025. So this is posting date. So in this posting date, what is the posting period? As per this 10/11/2025. No, this is posting date. So if this is the posting date, what is the posting period? This is date. This is date. This is month. This is year. It is in Indian format, not in US format. In US format, again we'll have first will be the month and second will be the date, and then year will be there. This is US format. We are not following US format as of now. Normal date, like in Indian format only I have written date, month and year. Why 1/11/2026? No, no, not year end. I'm asking you, this is the posting date, okay? On this date I have posted the document. In the document, yesterday, I think yesterday we have discussed about posting date, document date, and entry date. Did we discuss about this? Document date, posting date, and entry date. So in this document, while we are posting the document, this posting date I have given as 10th July 2025, 10/7/2025. This is the posting date. If this is the posting date, what will be the posting period in this posting? As per this posting date, what is the posting period? No, no, we don't, in the date, we don't mention, for example, say we are writing the date. When is your birthday, Hemant? 19/1/2002. So this is the date. So in this date, which is the month? One is the month, no? So you see, one means January, right? So this is January month. This is the month you have written here. One. Then what is the posting period for this? In this date, posting period. This is the posting periods. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the posting period 10 for January month. So posting period becomes 10. Date is correct, but the posting period is different. Posting period is as per the financial year. In any financial year. You know about financial year? What is financial year? Financial year only I am talking about. So financial year in India, what is the financial year? What is the financial year? April to March. So in financial year, what is the first month? What is the first period? April, no? So like that, how many periods are there in the financial year? From April to March, 12. So that's what I have mentioned here, 1 to 12. 12 months are there in the Indian financial year. As you have said, it starts on April and ends on March. So the current financial year is 2025 to 2026. Starts April. When did, now we are in which month? February month. So that means we are in February 2026. This month is in which financial year? This financial year have started on which year, in which month and in which year? It is started in April 2025. It is started. So this April, you're telling, okay. No, no, posting period I have not said till now. So these are called as periods, posting periods, okay. Any month is called as a period. We call it as period. We don't call it as a month. In SAP, same like financial year. We don't call it financial year. We call it the same financial year as fiscal year. In the same way, months are also called as periods. We don't call it as a months. Yes, posting periods. Month is called as, yeah, month is called as like period. But how many posting periods, how many months we can use in that financial year? Like that, 12 posting periods as per 12 months in the financial year. So as per calendar, if we see month number for April will be, right, month number as per calendar. If we open any calendar, April will be in the fourth page. In date also, how, if it is, if we want to write the date as April 15, 2025, how do we write that in Indian format? April 15, 2025. Yes, in Indian format. April 15, 2025. Indian format. Month, date and year will be there, no? So how do we write 15th April 2025? 15/04/2025. This is the format. 15th is the date, 4 is the month, 2025 is the year. So 4 month 4 means it resembles April, and Month number for May will be 5. If we write any date in May month will be the 5. For example, we need to write 20th May 2025. We need to write 20 slash 5 slash 2025. So same way, month numbers, you know how we write the dates. December will be the 12th month, January 1st month, February 2nd, March will be 3rd. This is as per the calendar. In any calendar, these are normal calendar. That is financial year, as per financial year. So these are the months as per calendar, and these are the periods as per the posting periods as per the financial year. Now, posting date. Yesterday I said you posting date. From which date the balances should reflect into the books of accounts, that is posting date. Yesterday did we see document date? Yesterday posting date we did 5/11/2026. 5/11/2026. 11 means which month? No, 11th is in which month? 11th is which month? No, this format you can write this format. Where you can write this format? This is date. If this is the date, fifth is the month, right? Or date? Date. 11 is month. 2026 is a year. So if 11th month resembles which month? 11. This number resembles with which month? No, you cannot write like this way. You cannot add period in between. Period column will be a separate column. Okay. In the date you cannot write posting periods in this date. This is only the date. Date will be written as if it is a month only. As per calendar only we'll write the date. Okay. So this is the date, and if this is the date, what is the month in this? 11th is the month. So as per calendar, November. November is the month. So as per Indian financial year, November is which posting period? 8. So posting period becomes 8. And this 8 we cannot inbuilt in the date. We cannot write 5th 8 2026. Like this way we cannot write. This is date. This cannot be a posting period. This can only be month. Not posting period. This can only be a month. As per the calendar we are going to write the month. Not as per financial year. Your birthday was on 19th January. January, right? 01 2020, like 2002 or 2026. Like as of now I'll take like 2026. Okay, so in this date, this is the posting date. Assume that this is the posting date. So in this posting date, what is the month name? January. So January becomes which posting period? What is the 10? So for this date the posting period becomes 10. Date is correct, 19th of January 2026. So 1 is correct as per the calendar year. This is how we write the date. We don't mix up the posting period while writing the date. But the thing is, date will be written as if it is a calendar only. We follow date as per calendar. Month we need to fetch the month, and that month we need to calculate as per the financial year what we are following. If we are following April to March, we need to follow this posting period. So for example, say July. Okay, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. So this is our financial year. Assume that this is our financial year. So now you tell me, I'll write the date 19/1/2026. This is the posting date. As per this posting date, tell me what is the posting period. This started in 2025. This June is in 2026. So this is the posting date. Tell me the month first. 01 means which month? 01. Yeah. So month name. What is the month name for this 01? No, this is the date. No. 19. No. I'm asking you. Don't give me to a piece. I'm not asking posting periods. I'm asking you in this date. What is the month name? నేను అనేది ఇప్పుడు ఇది డేట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇదిగో no okay, I'm asking you, for example, remove this date. You are getting confused. Same date if I give, you take another date, tell me one more date. You only tell me one date. 9 2025. Where is date? Where is month? 2025. I understood that that is year. Tell me one day. 9/11/2025. So in this, which is the date? 11 is month. This is year. So which month is this? 11th means month name. What is the month name? 11 is May. పోస్టింగ్ పీరియడ్ ఏం వస్తుంది? నవంబర్ మంత్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఇండియన్ క్యాలెండర్ ఇయర్ లేదు. ఇప్పుడు నేను అమెరికాకి వచ్చేసాను. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ డేట్ కావాలి మనకి. వై ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ డేట్ ఈజ్ in that date only we'll be having the posting period. So for example, say Republic Day. What is date? 26 January, right? So if this is 26th January 2026, 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 is posting period. Then what is the month? How we'll write the date? This format will not have 26 1 2026. This is how we write the date. For example, if our financial year starts on September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, this is our financial year. As per this, for example, this financial year, I don't know which country, but this is the financial year. So starts on September. So if we take 19th of January 2026, 19th January 2026, 5 will be the posting period. Yes. Okay, correct then. So now, as per this Indian financial year, 19th January 2026, this is the posting date. In this posting date, what is the posting period? 10 is the posting period. Okay, understood everyone? అందరికి అర్థమైందా అండి? క్లియరా? So next we are going to have the special periods after this posting periods. These special periods will be starting from April to July. Only maximum of 4 special periods can be given, and these special periods are used for adjustment entries and year-end activities. And the special period numbers will be 13, 14, 15 and 16. So whenever you normally any financial year will be consisting only of 12 months, but if it is there more than, if the number, if you see for it is more than 12, it means you need to understand that that is an adjustment entry and then year-end activities used as year-end activities done in special periods. So these special periods will be starting as soon as the last posting period ends. So the first special period will start as soon as the last posting period ends, and there will be no gap between any of the special period. Everything will be in a sequence. And again, the month number as per calendar year, April will be the 4th, May will be 5, June 6, July 7. Month numbers will not change as per calendar. Only the numbers for posting periods will be changing as per the financial year. And only in Indian financial year, these numbers differences will be coming for each and every month, because our financial year is not at par with the calendar year. If the financial year is same as calendar year, both the numbers will be same. Calendar year and the posting periods numbers will be same if our financial year is starting from January and ends in December. If it is not, if our financial year is not as per the calendar year, then we need to understand that there is a difference between the month numbers and the posting period numbers. So any transaction which we post in special periods will be reflected in the last posting period, because that is also a transaction which is related to the financial year of previous financial year. Any special period, any adjustment entry or any year-end activity which is posted in any special period, let it be 13, 14, 15 or 16, it will be reflected in the last posting period. The number will be different, the posting period number will be different, but the balances will be reflected in the last posting period. Okay, so now we'll do the configurations. We'll complete the configurations. And what is the company code? Triple G, right? So here we're going to give or I give like G9. And description, we're going to give, this is Indian financial year, so we're going to give April to March. And the number of posting periods, how many number of posting periods are there? So 12 posting periods. And maximum number of special periods, we can use 1, 2, 3 or 4, anything, but maximum 4. That is the reason we're going to give 4. And just click enter and save it. So coming to the next concept, now we'll go to the slide. Next, we need to understand about year shift. In order to understand about year shift, we need to understand first why we call the financial year 25-26 as fiscal year 2025 only. Why not 26? So this we need to understand now. So normally the current financial year, how do we call the current financial year? The current financial year 25-26, a mix of 2 years, we'll call this one financial year. It is only 12 months, but we call 25-26 by combining two calendar years, 25-26. Am I right? So the same 25-26 in SAP, we call it as 2025 only. When there are months in 25 and 26, there are some more months are there in 2025. So that is the reason we call fiscal year is 2025. So that's what you said, like the year in which more number of months falls in is called as fiscal year. So in India, it is April 1st to March 31st. So in 2025 calendar year, we are having 9 months starting from April and till December. These are only 9 months. Actually, in financial year, we have 12 months. More 3 months are there in 2026. 10, 11 and 12. That is January, February and March. So now if you see, there are 2 years and there are months in both the years 25 and 26. So if we compare 2025 with 2026, 2025 year have the more number of months than 2026. So that is why the fiscal year 2025. That is why we call the fiscal year as 2025 instead of calling it 25-26. Okay, everyone understood? Is anyone there who have not understood, Hemant? So fiscal year is the year in which more number of months are falling in. We can call it as like this, or the year in which more number of months falls in is called as fiscal year. And next is year shift. We're going to calculate why we have understood this fiscal year 2025, because to calculate the year shift, there is one formula in the entire FICO. There is only one formula, that is year shift in the entire course. So the year shift formula becomes fiscal year minus calendar year. And now we're going to calculate this year shift for each and every month. So here if you see the fiscal year, in the first column is for fiscal year, first row, and the second row is for calendar year 25-26. Both the calendars are there in our fiscal year. In the entire fiscal year 2025, we have two calendars, 25 and 26. And next is posting periods 1 to 12 months. These are the month names in this entire financial year. First, let us calculate the year shift for April month. So if you see for April month is in which fiscal year? Fiscal year is 2025. This April month, if you see, this is in the fiscal year, this is in 2025 fiscal year. So in the year shift, the first will be 2025, calendar year will be, April month is in which calendar? 2025. So this is the formula, 2025 minus 2025. So the year shift becomes 0. This is for April month only. Now if we go for May month, what will be the year shift for May month? May month is in 2025 fiscal year. Yes, it is 0, correct. Calendar year is 2025. So the year shift becomes 0. 25 minus 2025. So now let us go for January. For January month is in which fiscal year? Fiscal year. This is fiscal year. Calendar year 2026. Fiscal year 2025 minus calendar year 2026. So the year shift becomes -1 for January. So in the same way, if we go for February month also, fiscal year will be 2025. What will be the year shift for February? Why -2? 2025 minus 2026 only, no? Same only, right? 2025 minus 2026. This is fiscal year 2025. Calendar year is 2026. January month is in which calendar? That is which fiscal year? 2025. So January month is in which calendar year? 2026. So minus 1. 2025 minus 2026 minus 1. So now if you see year shift for April to December, it will be 0, and from January to March it will be minus 1. So now let us do the configurations. Now select this fiscal year variant G9 and double click on the periods, and now click on new entries. Here we need to give the configurations, how many days are there in a month and what is the period for that month and what is the year shift that we're going to give here. Month April will be the fourth month. How many days in that April? 30. Period, which period is this? I am asking Indian financial year. Indian financial year is 1. As per Indian financial year, April will be the first period. Next 5. May. How many days? May month 31. Period. Click enter to go to the next line. And next August will be the 8th month. Minus 1 or 1? 1, huh? How 1? Year shift means 1. What is the formula? What is the fiscal year for January month? January month is in which fiscal year? As per Indian financial, the current financial year. Oh no, January is in which fiscal year? 25, 26, huh? 2025 minus 2026. That becomes 2025 minus 2026 becomes minus 1. Next, February 28, huh? 28 and 29. Some years will have 28, 29. No, no. Then which number we need to give? Why 29? Who did not accept? Did we give anywhere? Did we given 25, 26 in this configuration? If we have given 2025 or 2026, okay, we can understand that. Okay, this is for this year only we are doing. This year we don't have 29 days. This year we have 26, 28 or something like that we can give. But we have not given any year, no? Then how can we understand that that is for this year only? Every year we are going to do this configurations? No, we are not going to do this configurations every year. Only once we are going to do while implementing. Always give 29. System will automatically deduct that one day if we don't have that day in that year. So this period will be 11th period as per third month 31st minus 1. Okay. Now click enter. Yes. System doesn't know. No. System know only calendar year. It doesn't know the Indian financial year. No, no. Fiscal year itself is a calendar year. If we have calendar year as a fiscal year, we can directly check the box of calendar year. Then no need of giving this configurations, because only our financial year is not matching with calendar. We are telling the system that this is the month which we are taking from the next year, from the next calendar year. So this year shift can be given only when April to March or January. If our financial year is not matching with calendar, any month, it might start in any month. April, February, January, not January. Apart from January 1st, if our financial year starts on any month, we need to calculate this year shift and we need to give the configurations here. How many months are there in that year, in that month? Like, sorry, how many days are there in that month and what that month belongs to which period? What is the year shift we need to give? So after giving this configurations for year shift, double click on the period text to give the name for each and every period. Now click on new entries and give the period. First period will be April, second period will be May, third period will be June, July. Click enter to go to the next line. language, automatically it will take English system language. Like period 6 will be September, October, November, December, then January, February, March. So this is the names for each and every period, and now click on save. Data has been saved. And if we go to fiscal year variant, here if you see the calendar year, if our financial year is as per the calendar year, we need to check this box of calendar year, and then there is no need for us to do this configurations as a year shift. Okay, but our financial year is not as per the calendar year, so we cannot check the box. So fiscal year variant G9 we have created. So this is G9. So this G9 we are going to link with our company code. So this assign company code to fiscal year variant. Just below this maintain fiscal year variant, we have assign company code to fiscal year variant. What is T code for assigning company code to fiscal year variant? T code to assign posting period to company code. This assign. This is fiscal year variant. What about posting periods? Posting period assigning to create posting period variant. Oh baby, oh. One more also you repeated 0 only something. FBN1, huh? Not OB, FB. OBA7, I think. What is OBA7 for? OB41? OBY6? Okay. Let it be as it is only. You'll remember. If I tell you now only, again you'll remember. Again you'll not remember. For some time you enjoy. So assign company code to fiscal year variant. Click on this execute. Assign company code to fiscal year variant. Execute this. Click on position. Give the company code OB37. Not OB37. Triple G. Fiscal year variant is G9. Now click on save. So this is how we do the fiscal year variant. Next is posting periods. So to learn this posting period, there is so much of things. So whatever the things which we are going to learn now to do the posting periods, those are the entire things which are used in the total FICU. Once we complete this posting periods, we are going to complete 30% of the syllabus, because this is the thing which we are going to learn about account types, general ledger accounts, document types, posting keys, and yeah, that's it. Once we learn these all things, because these are the things which we are going to use it for the entire FICU course, because each and every document we need to have posting date, document date, entry date, document type, document number range, account type is needed, general ledger accounts are needed. Why I am telling you 30% is, understood what is 30%? Why I am telling you 30%? You see, we have so many concepts. General ledger accounts. For example, topics I'm taking. Topics means transactions, down payments, partial payments, dunning, automatic payment program, and customer invoices, vendor invoices, general ledger account documents, asset accounting documents, controlling documents, tax structures. To post each and everything in every concept, we are going to post documents. In each and every document, there will be header data. In that header data, we are going to have document type, posting date, and document date, and document type, posting keys, and the posting periods as per this, and account types as per the in line item. We are going to have that general ledger account. So there we are going to see that. So we are going to come, once we understand these all concepts, we are going to understand each and everything. In every concept, we are going to have those concepts. So some part of that concept will be document type only. To post the document, we need to have document type, document number range, posting periods, okay, general ledger accounts, whether it is subledgers or general ledger or reconciliation account or anything, let it be anything, but it should be there in a document. So once we understand this, the rest of all are just the configurations. And this is just the basic. There are still more. Once you go into the topics, once you go into the job, you need to integrate everything. Here we are going to learn only FICO. There are so many things which we are going to integrate with FI. There will be CO, there will be controlling, there will be there will be SD. Everything we need to integrate and we need to do the transactions. So once we start it now, we cannot complete. That is the reason I'm not starting now. Okay. So this is for today's class. We're gonna wrap up the session by this topic of fiscal year variant.